Second grade, what's going on? Mr. Hunter here. I'm here with your last language and phonics lesson of the year. Wow, we've made it so far and we've learned a lot. And I hope you guys have remembered everything about nouns, suffixes, prefixes, synonyms, everything. All these different things we learned, they're going to come in so handy for you as you move forward and go into third grade and you're writing, you're practicing. So just wishing you guys the best. I love you. It's been a pleasure to have you in my class this year. And we're going to jump in. We're on page 287. And it says at the top, remember. Everybody say remember. Remember, many adverbs end in the suffix ly. If a root ends in y, change the y to I before adding ly. So here's the thing. If a root word ends in y, you're going to change it to I, and then you add ly. So if a word ends in y, you change the y to an I, and then you add ly after it. Sounds simple, right? Pretty simple. So just look out for all the words that end with y. All right, let's look at the bottom. Number one, it says add ly to each root word to make it an adverb. If the root word ends in y, like we just said, remember to change the y to I first. So marry plus ly, marry. So what do they want us to say? Merrily, merrily. So what do we need to do? Well, first we need to take that y off of the end of marry, and then we put an I, and then add the ly. So that's becoming merrily, as you see in the directions there. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing for all of those, but remember, you only change the y. You don't change any other word to any other letter to I. All right, so look at the words that end with y. Poor, does that end with y? Sad, does that end with y? Sloppy, end with I? No. So you just need to make sure the ending, oh, sloppy does. Yeah, so you need to make sure that you change that to an I, then an ly. Just follow the directions, very simple, very easy. You guys should be able to do that fine. Number two, it says choose a verb from the box that's below, and an adverb from the adverb box to finish the tongue twisters. Tongue twister, ooh, that sounds fun. Most of the words in each sentence will start with the same letter or sound. So here we go. You have to choose one from the verb and one from the adverb. So William blank while waiting. So the verb goes first and the adverb goes after the verb. So William what? All of these answers, can they be different? Some of them can. So let's see. William gave fearlessly while waiting. That's one you could put, but you can put any combination, but the verb has to go first and then the adverb goes second. Everybody understand that? You're going to make some tongue twisters. And if you put each of these verbs and adverbs in the blanks, go back and read the sentences all together. Read them one after one after one and see how they sound when you say them pretty fast, all right? Now go on to number three. Read the words. How many syllables are in each word? Uh-oh, this is more review. Do we remember what a syllable is? When you hear my name, Hunter, how many times do you hear the name? Hunter, that's twice. So it has two syllables. So read the word and see what it says. Sentences, sentences, that's three. So that's what we're doing there. So you put a number 3 in the box. You're doing that for all of those down there. Pretty self-explanatory, all right? I'm going to turn the page because now in the back, look at this. A fun activity for the last day of your official school year. You're going to be following the directions, and you're going to need a green crown, a red crown, and a blue crown. Or you can use color pencils, but I say use a crown. And it says for first direction, color the nouns green. So what's a noun? A noun is a person, place, or a thing. Color the nouns green to make a path for the baby deer to reach its mother. We want the baby deer to reach its mother, right? So we have to color the nouns, all the nouns green. So you have to go through everything and color all the nouns green, all right? Let me count up. Let me see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nouns. I'm not going to tell you how many other things are there, but make sure there's going to be 10 nouns. So look carefully. Then in the next one, it says color the verbs red to make a path for the baby elk to reach its mother. So what color are we coloring? We're coloring all the verbs red, all right? And then for the next one, the last one, it says color the adverbs blue to make a path for the baby moose to reach its mother. Here's a hint. Not all of the rocks are going to be colored, all right? And remember what an adverb is. An adverb is something that describes a noun. So if I say, that cake was good, that cake was really good. Or I could say that red cake was good. That red describes what kind of cake it is. That pie was great. That apple pie, apple is the adverb. It describes what it is. Or that tasty apple pie. You guys understand? So that's what you're going to be doing here. Find the adverbs, color them blue. Find the verbs, color them red. And find the nouns, color them green. Fun activity. I hope you guys have fun with it. It should take up some time, but it'll be a lot of fun to end the school year on. So that's your assignment for today. I'll see you tomorrow in class, and Zoom for games.